welcome.
Welcome back. Alright, y'all, so today it is Locwash and Retwist Day. We have not had a wash and a retwist in about a month. It's been about a month. So I'm going to hit baby first because his don't take as much time as mine because he only has the middle portion of his head.
Yeah, she finna get me together, y'all. It's been that time. And even our sides didn't grow. So we're gonna cut them back down. I don't even have the best clippers right now, so we just gonna do what we do. As long as it get just chopped down and get lined up a bit. And yeah, I got a lot of new growth. And we just gonna see how it turn out. She gonna hit me with the shampoo first, so yeah. Stay tuned.
Yeah, so I'm gonna hit him with the shampoo first. I'm gonna shampoo and condition his locks, and then I'm going to retwist his hair, and then we're going to cut all of this off, and I'm gonna hit his eyebrows too. So
I can remember the count yours.
we about to get into it. First, it's the wash. Let's go. Okay, y'all. So what I'm gonna do first with his hair is I'm going to do this apple cider vinegar scalp scrub. I'm going to do this first, and then y'all know how I like to do, we like to mix a bunch of different shampoos for different reasons, different purposes, and things like that. So we're going to be trying out today the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Shampoo Gentle Moisturizing Cleanser. So I'm going to use this as a moisturizer, like to bring back moisture in his hair. But I'm going to use this charcoal and bamboo detoxifying shampoo to like cleanse the hair. And for the scalp, primarily for the scalp, I'm going to mix the eucalyptus mint and the neem shampoo together. So we got a lot going on, okay? Don't be all in the comments talking about y'all use too many products or anything like that. This is how we get all this length like this, like that, like that.
Yeah, and if we would have had the rice water right now, we would have did that too.
Yeah, but we don't have, our rice water and everything like that. So after I get done washing his hair and everything, I'm going to follow up with this apple cider vinegar hair rinse that I mixed a green tea tea tree matcha, I believe, hair rinse that I mixed in here too. So it's like 2 hair rinses in one. And I like to just put this on the scalp to just further clarify things. So then this will be like the final wash rinse, if you will. And then for conditioner, I'm going to use the cocoa butter and biotin, and then this Mielle babassu and mint deconditioner. So we do condition our locks. For you guys that didn't know, we do decondition our locks. But
yeah, I'm gonna have to be up under there like rinsing for a while.
Yeah, so we gonna do all this. And oops, I just wanted to show y'all the products first, because I know how some people can kind of like miss it as I'm washing and everything like that. So yes, that's what we're using. I'll have like the brand names and everything like that linked down below in the description, so you guys can know exactly what brand and everything like that we use. So yeah, we're gonna get started. Farmers Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E, Cocoa Butter, and Biotin Length Retention Shampoo and Conditioner. So it says gentle moisturizing cleanser with vitamin E and antioxidants. It is color safe, no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten, no dyes, no silicones. It says address breakage, damage, and split ends by keeping the hair and scalp moisturized, fortified and healthy in order to achieve optimum growth potential. Cocoa butter has hair softening properties for a healthy shine, and its rich moisture shields hair from dryness and overprocessing. Biotin supports healthy hair growth, and quinoa protein protects the hair shaft from heat damage that can cause breakage. This expert blend retains length for beautiful, long, shiny hair. It's color safe for all hair colors, curl patterns, and textures. So I just washed Jay's hair with this and conditioned his hair with this, and I must say that the consistency of both is really nice. It's not thick, it's not like thin, and it's not runny. It's just like perfect, like a perfect shampoo conditioner consistency, if you will. Like, it's normal, I would say. And the smell, it smells so good. Like, it really smells like cocoa butter, like the sweetness that cocoa butter has. It smells really good. As I was washing Jay's hair, it lathered up really good, so he got a good cleanse. And when I was conditioning his hair, I noticed how soft his hair got. So yes, gentle moisturizing cleanser. I can attest to that. So if you guys haven't already, go out and pick you up some Palmer's. I recommend. This is not sponsored. However, I did get these sample products for free from my local Sally's. They were having an event, and I stopped in and got my free samples and just tried it out.
What's up, y'all?
Alright, y'all, we back.
We had to make another clip because we just made one, but it just messed up, so whatever.
So yeah, as I was saying, his hair is nice and washed and conditioned. It's really soft. All the gunk is out. All the dirt is out. It's no flakes. It's no dandruff. It's nice and light, bouncy. It has body. And so what we're going to do is we're going to be doing the rubber band method, where when you retwist, you put all the hair into a rubber band so you don't get all the pulling and the tugging from the clips. And what we're going to retwist with is a concoction that I've made. It's like a retwist concoction. But what we're going to moisturize the hair with is another moisturizing spray that I made. This is strictly like for moisturization. Now you can retwist with this too. So I'll probably just alternate with these two or whatever. But right now I'm going to spray some of this tea tree mint leave-in. I'm going to spray a little bit of this on his scalp. And then we just going to rub it in. So anything with mint, like tea tree, peppermint, spearmint, and things like that is always good for the scalp, because the properties in mint is anti-inflammatory. So it treats the scalp of any problems that it have. Like, it's good for dandruff, psoriasis, and things like that. And it also combats itching. So that's what I'm doing. are done.
And tired.
So this is Babe's hair. So I did some twisting his hair, not tight, just to kind of get some out the way. I didn't twist it to style it, but if he want me to, I will. I'm too tired right now to try and count his locks, but I'll probably do that. I'll probably do that tomorrow. But here is the hair. This is the hair.